What is you got the strap hot Cheetos, got the E-Trade Jewel, we got our view out there. We're gonna make a video for small accounts. This is my gift for Friday for you guys. The markets haven't been forgiving, but there's an opportunity. If you haven't seen the video I made where I talk about, I don't want you guys to see me in the reflection, but I talk about making $100,000 with options. I want to talk about that. There's an opportunity. I'm going to give you guys a play. You can play it with a small amount of money and talk about how to trade options with a small account successfully with the odds in your favor, taking advantage of the stock market, some of the inefficiencies and some of the best things that really options provides, which a lot of new people have missed out on. So if you are new, you're gonna really benefit off of this. If you're a beginner at options, I think you're gonna like this. Hopefully with the play idea, it'll give you something to paper trade. You could put real money on it, but that's on you. Again, do that at your own risk. These are very risky options in general. I'll give that disclaimer, but you'll be able to learn from it if you're new. If you're not new and you're advanced, you're just gonna get the play. But even then, a refresher on this mindset and this approach with options. We're gonna talk about leaps and going in the long term. It'll be there. I'll show you how easy this is. I think we'll go upstairs. We'll go hit outside to get a nice view out there, unless I don't know how you guys like this. I could actually do it on here, but this is what I think is honestly more advanced, you know, buying an option through here, going through the option chain. But you guys, if you're new, start getting familiar with this, and this is really how you're gonna start making a lot of money with a little bit amount of money. This is where you want to begin. I think options is that best thing. And I've seen a lot of people, some people even buy like one share of Amazon. They're making like 50 bucks, 120 bucks, and they were hyped on it. Options is a great one. I wanna talk about how you guys could do that, not gambling, in a safe manner and with a little bit amount of money. So, hope you guys are ready. You like the video, drop a like if it helps out, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any video suggestions, I'll be glad to make them. Yeah, let me go upstairs and we'll talk about this. I don't know if you guys want to walk with me. You guys can if you like, but Alright, so I was editing the video and then I realized, wait, I'm not even answering the question. I'm titling it, and it's, you know, how to make money in the stock market with a little bit amount of money, or, you know, $100, a small amount. You know, the play I focus on and that I talk about, it's about 100 to 200 bucks. You could play around in there, but a lot of the other videos, when you see people are talking about, you know, day trading, scalping, making, you know, a plan, a savings plan, and buying certain stocks over time, that's not what this is. What we're focusing on is options trading. So what that is it's better than, go look at my videos. I have videos talking, you know, comparing it to penny stocks. I think it's really the penny stocks of the stock market. I think that's the best way to look at it. Is this the same dough? I don't know if this is still the same dough that, I don't think it is. No, this is a different website, but I'm gonna show you guys another brokerage that I'm using. I just deposited money in here. I just put in like 30 grand. I think I made one trade and I lost 500 bucks already, so that kind of sucked. But you know, you got to get familiar with this. This is how an option chain is. You know, later in the video I show this while you know, I finished talking about that. This is all you're gonna need to know, but an option is essentially the right to purchase or sell a stock. So you could make money on a stock whether it goes up or down, but you don't need to own the stock. You could buy a contract. And now the main advantage is they're kind of like the penny stocks for the real stocks like blue chips and all that, because what you could essentially do is buy one of these, you know, they go for pennies or dollars, you multiply them by 100, and they could really get up there. They move like penny stocks in a way, and they have a lot of the same risks, you know, from volatility to liquidity. So you got to be careful. I was gonna put up dough.com, but Tastyworks, this is that brokerage I'm switching to. I'm testing them out. I'm gonna make some review videos for you guys, see how they are. They did not pay me to do it. I just did them. They're one of the more cheaper brokerages, like a Robinhood, but I actually trust them more than Robinhood, so they're pretty good. But yeah, so that's how it is. it's options. So go through my videos. If you guys are new after this video, you could see the play recommendation. If you want to learn how to make an account, do that. We have the free stock trading course. You make a brokerage, you can make an account to practice with anyways, but options is the way to do it. Anybody tells you otherwise. If you have a little bit amount of money and you're saying, how do I make a decent amount of money in a decent amount of time and, like, you know, maximize your odds, I say options all the way. However, they are dangerous, they are risky, so do not forget that. All right, now you guys can watch the next part. Love y'all. Let me go upstairs. All right, so I finally got up here. I wanted to do this video, honestly. Again, I know someone got mad that I don't show my face. I put this on and I'm wearing the same shirt, so holla at me. But I wanted this video to show you could do it on the go, because this is the type of trade I want to talk about, where it's going to be a swing trade with the option and aiming off a longer duration. So you guys could be at work, you could be doing something, you really just need a phone. So let me see here. We got in, I'm logged in. Here's my E-Trade. I don't know if you guys can see it well. You log in. Once you're logged in, we're gonna go to the ticker, the play. It's gonna be Facebook, so it's gonna be an option on Facebook. Now, starting here with the brokerage, all you need is a broker. So you need a Robinhood account, E-Trade, anything like that. Obviously, I like E-Trade, that you could do everything on your phone. However, there's more commission. So if you're going for a trade like this one I'm about to show you, the commission doesn't even matter. You know, that $5-10 bucks, we're gonna be making more than that. Now if you plan on making, you know, now if you plan on making a few trades with a smaller account, then Robinhood will probably be the best for you. You know, I like Robinhood simply because you could use it for that, you know, scalping some options. It's pretty good with that. But I like E-Trade or TD Ameritrade, you know, they use your phone. But all you need to do, and really all you need to know to execute this trade, you need to know how to make a brokerage, get an account, deposit money just like a bank. You find a stock or trading a stock like Facebook, and now I'm very simplifying this process, you know, but we're gonna go here, go to the options chain. Once you got your options chain up, we're gonna go from, instead of October 2018, you know, with options, you select the expiration date. Short term is risky, long term the best. So we're gonna aim literally, I think, June 2019. Yes, so June 2019. Think about that. That's about, actually, wait, that's not that far. Hold on. What am I saying? I want June 2020. Yeah, let me get some June 2020. You guys probably think I'm crazy. That's a lot of time, you know, think about it. Actually, no, wait, was it? No, not June. Either June 2020 or I could do December 2018, like the end of next year, or not, excuse me, this January 2019, ended, or even December, but end of next year. Yeah, I like these. So pretty much you could get it here. This is January. Oh man, I'm retarded. You guys are probably like, how do you even make money? I'm sorry. December 2019. There you go. That's the one we want. Yeah. So I think it's like 280, 290. They're at 150. I don't think that was it. Maybe it was the Junes. I think it was 6 months out, but that wasn't enough time. But realistically, anything on Facebook, or even, yeah, Facebook with like 7-8 months to a year time or more, the more time the better. You could go buy one of these for a couple $100s. You could even check right here, like, see, this one's $214. Wait, we need to go back. We want to see that on the chart. So quote details, it's going to show us the pricing chart of this. If we look at it over the last 3 months, you know, these contracts at one point were going for 1,700. I actually like that. There was another one, I think, on a shorter duration going for 25. But you see the idea here is that with this much time, if Facebook kind of has a monster rip and goes back to where it was, there's a potential these contracts could go up. But this is the type of play I'm looking for to make with the small account. So why are we making this play? Well, so you could go out and live your life and enjoy the view. No, but the whole idea, and this is what I talked about, and this isn't a good example because I'm using a stock like Facebook because, one, they have earnings coming up, and even after their earnings, you know, the last earnings, they came down a lot. They could have a bad earnings and come down, so this trade could either get better or worse. And that is what I will say is my disclaimer for this right now, is that this trade could be better or worse as every day goes by. Who knows what's going to happen? And that is, you know, especially with earnings. So you got to be careful on that. But again, it has a lot of time, and that is the whole idea of this, is that you want to find an option where you could put $100, $200. It's playing a big stock with big movings potential. You're gonna get 2, 3 earnings plays packed in it, and you're buying it now when the price has been slashed, and right now the market has a lot of volatility and the market is down drastically. This is how you're going to take care of it, where even if the market drops even more, again, that amount of time in the long run, the odds are going to be in your favor, and you see you could buy them for $100, $200, and the best part about all of it, you just make an account and you don't have to touch anything. That's it. You buy it once. You guys can buy this in the morning. You need to have enough knowledge to buy that one trade, and that's it. You know, it might make you a decent amount of money. It's not going to be anything crazy, but those are the trades. And obviously you could scale those trades, or you could do that with multiple different companies. And now, you know, find other companies that fit this criteria where you could get these longer term leap options and adjust it to your schedule and how much you are looking to make, the time effort you're trying to put in. But essentially, this, find a good quality play, odds are in your favor, low price, set, forget, put it in your portfolio. It often works a lot of times, you know, really, really great. And if you're making your entries here at a market low, it's awesome. So I'll leave it at that. Hopefully it helps you guys. Oh man, I keep dropping this, but I'll keep it there. Hopefully that helps in some way. If not, oh my God, it dropped again. Well, I love you guys. Subscribe. Let me know if you got questions. Peace out. Oh my gosh.